What's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I review you guys on the Goyard Victoire wallet. So with Goyard trending as much as it is right now, I decided to be a great video to show you guys the wallet that a lot of people are going after. So if you guys do enjoy these videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as it really helps on my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into this review. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's just going to be the regular Goyard box right here. Obviously the G is going to be reflective, and if you guys look super closely, there will be an A, R, and a D inside of the G. And if you guys look super closely at the canvas of the box, you guys will be able to see the Goyard Ys right there. It's really hard to see even in person, it's not just the camera, but if you guys look closely enough, you guys will be able to see it. And the bottom and the sides won't have too much, so taking off the lid, you guys will be able to see the wallet right here. And just before I take the wallet out, I just want to go over a couple things. First off, being that this retailed at $1,100, but it is not as easy to buy as, for example, Louis Vuitton or Gucci, where you can just buy them online, add to cart, and then obviously make payment and they'll ship to you. You guys will either have to call and order it and they'll ship to you, or you go into the store, which is obviously the more popular way of buying Goyard. But I'll just take the wallet out really quickly so you guys can see what it comes with. So obviously the duster is going to be right here, which obviously you're going to use to store it, as well as just keep it safe if you want to wrap it in it. And then sticking out right here is the little Goyard tag, if you guys can see that. Say Goyard on this side as well as the other, and pretty cool. Sometimes Goyard will come with a ribbon just like Louis Vuitton does, but setting both of those to the side as well as the box, I want to show you guys the wallet now. So as you guys can see, once upon a time this was in a lot better shape, but it's definitely gotten its wears throughout its years. As you guys can see, the canvas is definitely worn. Goyard canvases will rub easily, especially when they're going in and out of pockets. Then the inside, you guys can see the yellow is coming out a little bit. There are going to be 8 card slots, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, as well as 4 folders, one right here, one on this side, and then there are going to be 2 right here, which obviously most people are going to use to store their cash. And then the little heat stamp is going to be right there. Just going to say Goyard Paris, made in France, if I can get my camera to focus on it really quickly. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. But the dimension of this wallet, it's going to be 3.5 inches in height, it's going to be 4.5 inches in width, and it's going to be about 1/2 inch in thickness to maybe 1 inch if you're storing cards, cash, and everything else that you might be using it for. But one of the things that I really want to emphasize about this wallet is that it is very similar to the Louis Vuitton Marco wallet when it comes to dimensions and size and everything that it can store. But I've had my Marco wallet for a really long time, and it does not look super worn just like Goyard. I've noticed people will use Goyard for maybe a year-ish, and you'll already see the wear in especially the corners as well as the top. There's even like a tiny little hole right there towards the bottom, and Goyard just wears super easily. So don't think that I've just not taken care of my stuff, because I really do a good job of taking care of my stuff, and I do everything I can do. But if it just gets stretched out, if you're storing too much stuff and it's going in and out of your pocket, Goyard tends to show its life very easily. You know, its age is not really easy to hide, if you guys know what I'm saying. And so on the inside of every single pocket, you guys will have the Goyard yellow canvas, which is just a little compliment because obviously yellow is iconic to Goyard. Even in the slots for your cash, you guys will have those as well. And then in here, I know I mentioned that there are a few folders, but it'll also have that yellow in there. And so what I usually like to do is keep credit cards on this side, debit cards, maybe insurance, AAA cards on this side. And then in here, if I have a photo that I want to keep, sometimes people want to keep photos with them, they can do that. And then maybe if they want to hide something in here, I don't know. And then usually I keep like 20s, 1s, 5s, and 10s in here, and then 100s on the other side. But that's just how I like to use this wallet. It's very functional, it does everything that you need it to do, but keep in mind that it definitely does wear. And just before I close out this video, I just want to mention that Goyard and Dior seem to be trending a lot right now. I see their prices going up heavily within the next few years, just because of their recent popularity with their wallets, as well as their Crosier and Boeing Duffle Bags. And then as far as Dior, I feel like because of their collaboration with Jordan, as well as their B23 shoes that are extremely popular, Goyard and Dior are going to be right neck and neck with Gucci and Louis Vuitton. But that might just be my opinion, but it's just something that I've kind of picked up from the market as their prices soar, not necessarily at the store, but on the resale market, their prices are going up and up and up. They're becoming more and more trendy and recognizable. But let me know what you guys think, and also let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. I'm happy to bring you guys whatever you guys asked me to see. I specifically had my last few videos requested by you guys. They weren't just what I felt like doing, so let me know exactly what you guys want to see. I'll be happy to bring it with you. And again, make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps on my channel and gets my videos shown to more people. And the more my channel grows, the crazier stuff I can bring you guys, so it's kind of like a win-win. But again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.